From Zion Mountain it come down, blessing every village, every town. Water clear like crystal light, wash away the dark of night. Every drop a holy sign. River of Zion forever shine. River of Zion flow on free. Carry your love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live. All the healing it can give. Me walk along the river bend, feel your spirit like a friend. It tell me tales of days gone by, of prophets' prayer and battle cry. Me see the children laugh and play, splashing the blessing every day. From root to branch, from leaf to vine, I'll give thanks for Zion's sign. Blaze, water keep the fire in praise. Babylon dam can't block the flow. Zion River always know it find a way through rock and sand. Spread your love across the land. Me fill me cup and take a sip. Feel your blessing on me lip. It cool me mind, it calm me soul, make me spirit pure and all. River whisper, child don't fear. Jaja kingdom drawing near. Every tide a sacred beat, like Naya Bingi, drum so sweet. Sun, river of Zion, still a run. It carries song from shore to shore, calling people to love once more. Me see the elder staff in hand, bless the water and bless the land. River run till time is true, flow with love so pure and true. Flow high, flow low, through the hills and valleys slow. Bring life, bring peace, till all the sorrow cease. No chain, no gate, no wall can stop the Zion River call. River of Zion flow on free. Carry your love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live. Ocean deep, river of Zion we always keep.
Yeah, man. This are the chant for the people. Same blood, same sky equal. No matter color, no matter creed. Love are the only seed we need. From ghetto yard to mountainside. Jaja love we not hide. Me lift me voice for all to hear. Unity unity come draw near. Chant for the people day and night, guide them through the holy light. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Love I wear the royal crown. Me chant for the farmer in the field. Pray Jah bless the crop and yield. Me chant for the youth them in the street. Pray Jah guide them every beat. Every voice come join along. Fill the ear with righteous song. Chant for the people far and near. Jah Jah blessings always here. Even when the war drum play, me chant for peace to rule the day. Me chant for the healing of the land. Planting love with every hand. Every nation, every tongue. Sing the chant from old to young. Me see the vision clear and bright. Chant for the people through the night. Me chant when the rain come down. Me chant when the sky turn brown. Me chant in the good and bad. Me chant with the joyful and the sad. No matter season, no matter time. Me chant in rhythm and in rhyme. When the sun sets in our west, me chant till me soul find rest. Me chant for the prisoner behind the gate. Pray for Jah mercy before too late. Me chant for the elder wise and kind. Me chant for the last we help them find. Me chant for the mother with newborn child. Me chant for the wilderness running wild. Every word a arrow true, piercing lies with Jah light too. Chant high, chant low, like river it must flow. Carry hope, carry peace, till all the suffering cease. From sunrise till setting sun, chant for the people one by one. When the drum beat call me name, chant for the people just the same. Chant for the people day and night, guide them through the holy light. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Love I wear the royal crown. From valley low to mountain steep, Jah Jah love we always keep.
Zion reggae, yeah man. Zion reggae, yeah man. Me wake me for the morning rise. Send me prayer up to the skies. Me thank Jah for the gift of life. Shield me from the Babylon strife. Me kneel on earth, me touch the ground. Feel Jah power all around. Rootsman prayer, strong and pure. Jah Jah love forever sure. Rootsman prayer, inna the dawn. Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word I seed me sow. Inna Jah garden make it grow. Me pray for youth, me pray for poor. prayer still flying high till the morning break again. Me call Jah holy name, Rootsman Prayer inna the dawn. Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word a seed me sow inna Jah garden, make it grow. From sunrise till the night is near, Rootsman Prayer still ringing clear.
Ay, ay, ay. Ganja, ganja is the medicine, yeah, man. Baseline hit like heartbeat in a womb. Drum roll, rise and clear the gloom. Me tune in deep to the cosmic wave. Reggae sound, soul we save. Each note a prayer, each chord a flame. Burn illusion, call your name. Roots vibration in a eye bones. Me feel it deeper than sticks and stones. Roots frequency, guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need for talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to your love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. This are the heartbeat all along. Drop the vinyl clean. Me close my eyes, me start to dream. Me see people come together true. Different skin but one blood through. Babylon try divide with fear, but roots music bring I near. Me chant with elders, chant with youth. The rhythm reveal universal truth. Me nah need take or flashy screen, just a speaker and a tambourine. Me feel the bass line deep in chest. Remind I say I truly blessed. Me nah rush, me nah chase fame. Me just want people feel the same. In a dance all around the tree. Me soul tuned to the frequency. Roots frequency, guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need for talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to your love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. This are the heartbeat all along. All along. All along. Late night session, moonlight beam. Me skanking time to dubwise dream. Engineer mix it with holy hand. From Zion straight to every land. No border can stop this wave. No chain strong, no fi make I slave. Music a weapon, music a bomb. Cool me soul, keep I calm. So turn it up, let it roll. Trench down yard to African shore. Roots frequency, open door. Join the echo, join the drum. Hear the message, salvation come. So listen keen and feel it true. This reggae built for I and you.
Reggae man. Before the sun peak over hill, me hear the earth so calm, so still. Bird a sing them holy song, tell the world fi right the wrong. Me stretch me hand to Jah above, feel the warmth of perfect love. Me light me fire, me brew me tea. Morning in Zion set me free. Morning in a Zion breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Walk through garden gate, herb in bloom, me give thanks great. Me see the elder upon the stone, chant and reason both Jah throne. The youth them gather, smile so wide. Morning light in a them pride. No Babylon chain can bind. Zion dwell in heart and mind. The mountain mist start drift away, reveal the hills in gold array. The goats them climb, the river shine. Every sign a Jah design. Me hear Naya bingy drum from far, calling we to who we are. Morning bring the truth again. Zion life run through me vein. Step through fields where flowers grow, smell the breeze and feel it blow. Children laugh, the elders cheer. Morning blessings everywhere. Me share me fruit with neighbor true. Pass on Jah love in all we do. From little seed to towering tree. Morning in Zion set we free. Before the noon, me lift me song, fi keep the day both bright and strong. Every chant a seed we sow, in Jah garden it will grow. Morning in Zion never fade. It's the start of works we made. Me hold this light till day is done. Zion shine like the rising sun. Rise up, morning call. Stand tall, Rasta never fall. Chalice burn, vibration high. Praise Jah sun in the sky.
Reggae of Zion, Kenya man. Early morning dew on me locks. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me carry Jah light on the inside. Me chant psalms from me heart core. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walk in tune, me life align. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rastaman way. One love will lead me every day. Missy mountain, missy valley. Me pass city and small alley. Some try test I, throw me shade, but Jah give I strength, me never afraid. Me humble like lion, who know him power. Me rise like sun, hour by hour. Me reason with trees, me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life, but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop a rain teach I something, fi ease the pain. Me nah compete, me nah chase clock. Time nah real pan, Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me carry you. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rastaman way. One love will lead me every day. Me meet elders pon me trail. Them share wisdom like holy grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you're lost, just look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need fi rush. Just feel the earth, feel Jah touch. We all day, pan sacred ride. Some slow, some quick, some try hide. But truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace. Nah, nah, nah. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Inna the night when the silence speak, me light up herbs and me soul seek. Me sit on rooftop under moon. Dub rhythm chant a mystic tune. Seed a burn, the air gets still. Me eyes, me fly away through nebulae and Milky Way. Me reason with stars in a astral plane. Them whisper secrets fi ease me pain. Every echo tell me truth. Likewise elders speak to youth. Me see past time, me touch the light. Me come back strong, me soul upright. Love meditation, float in a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near me. Not chase Babylon, illusion. Me rest in dub-wise fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with the right intention. Me burn herb not fi run from life, but fi sharpen mind like a knife. Me inhale truth, exhale lies. Me sit still and me overstand skies. No fear when you move in a wisdom. Dub shake wall like Jericho kingdom. Me chant, me drum, me ground, me float. Me ride baseline like righteous boat. Me link with ancestors through deep tone. In a dub me never feel alone. It's like rhythm, hold me tight. Guide me safe through darkest night. From root to crown, vibration climb. Me feel the pulse, me move in time. Dub am me temple, herb am me key. Jah open door, me spirit free. Dub meditation, float in a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near me. Not chase Babylon, illusion. Me rest in dub-wise fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with the right intention. So if you're stressed, if your mind in pain, come sit with I in a dub refrain. No need for talk, no need for run. Just close your eyes and face the sun. Let the bass wash you like river. Let echo flow make you deliver. One rhythm, one breath, one love. Meditation rise like peaceful dove. Na na na. Na 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 na. Ay, ay, ay. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me wake with sun, me rise up clean. Wash me face in stream so serene. Me kitchen small, but me pot them full. Roots and greens make me belly cool. No flesh, no poison on me plate. Me live ital, me elevate. Me pick from garden, me give thanks for earth. Me nah forget when me food find birth. Ital is vital, Jah way fi trot. Feed the temple, connect with God. No chemicals, no process lie. Me cook with love and watch soul fly. Me nah need fast food fi feel alright. Me sit herbs under moonlight. Ital live it in me daily chant. Clean heart, clean mind, clean plant. Me remember the days in a city trap. Fast food make me spirit snap. Me feel heavy, me feel slow. Me body cry for the truth to grow. Till one day, me granny say, child, come taste what Ital say. She boiled some roots, she steamed some yam. She showed me how to live like Abraham. Ital is vital, Jah way fi trot. Feed the temple, connect with God. No chemicals, no process lie. Me cook with love and watch soul fly. Me nah need fast food to feel alright. Me sip herbs under moonlight. Ital live it in me daily chant. Clean heart, clean mind, clean plant. Me live it in a just about the meal. It deeper still, it's how me feel. Me bless me food before me eat. Give grace for nature so complete. Ital me nah live blind. Me take care of me heart and mind. Me cut the faith, me cut the sin. Me clean from outside and within. Ital fire blaze inna me soul. Me reason deep, me play me role. Me cook with brethren in the hills. Laughter mixed with ancient skills. No microwave, no soda fizz. Just roots wine and natural bliss. Me chant round pot like sacred right. Me taste the truth in every bite. Me bun Babylon, fast food chain. They profit while the people in chains. Me build me own with me two hand. Grow tomato, callaloo and yam. Me share with neighbor, me nah hoard. Me planting soil, me reap reward. This is the life me was meant to live. Ital wage a guidance give. Ital is vital. Nah 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 Rastaman. Grind the kaya man. Sound system turn up, speaker them a place. Me step in a the dance in a righteous face. Me chalice full, me soul a burn. Me dep on fire, now it's your turn. Drum and bass beat like heart in a chest. Every rhythm drop, bring out your best. Me now flex like star, me flex like truth. Me there for the elder, me there for youth. Give me one rhythm and me ride it clean. Me chant so heavy like steam from green. No gun talk, no Babylon slang. Me lyrics are ill like Naya Bingy Bang. Me chant in a corner with me herb so proud. Me meditate, even in a the crowd. Select a wheel up, bassline drop. Me feel it in a spine when the snare go pop. Light it up, feed the people in a struggle. Light it up, let the Babylon juggle. We smoke, we dance, we elevate. Rootsman vibes, we celebrate. Light it up, all tribes unite. In a dance hall, we shine so bright. From trench town to the mountain top, we burn bad mind and we nah go stop. Missy dreadlocks, gyal a wine with grace. She move to the rhythm like she know the place. Me hail her up with respect and joy. Me say one love, no time for toy. Me see big man, small man, all man in a line. All blaze up chalice, all feeling fine. This a root session, no time for war. This a love in a rhythm like a Rasta star. Me roll one big with me brethren crew. Me pass it round like wisdom true. We reason about life, we reason about peace. We know say Babylon time must ease. Me there in a dance but me spirit fly to Zion plains where the lions lie. One draw, two draw, me eyes then close, but me vision clear like a red rose. Light it up, feed the people in a struggle. Light it up, let the Babylon juggle. We smoke, we dance, we elevate. Rootsman vibes, we celebrate. Light it up, all tribes unite. In a dance hall, we shine so bright. From trench town to the mountain top, we burn bad mind and we nah go stop. No need for bling, me blaze the herbs. Me speak truth, me not twist words. Me stand up tall like King Selassie. Me spread the vibe like Ital recipe. From Addis Ababa to Spanish town, the drum and truth can never drown. Every lyric me spit, a pure uplift. Oyoyoy inna the barefoot straight kaya man. Inna the moonlight, she walks so fine. Natural beauty, like she made from vine. Her locks them long, her heart them clean. Me call her empress, she me roots queen. Me sight her dancing to the bassline slow. Ganja smoke rise like a mystic glow. She say Rasta, come reason with me. Let's burn some herbs and then set the mind free. Me pass her the chalice, me heart skip beat. Her voice soft like rhythm in a summer heat. She says she love when double drop and consciousness rise, never stop. We sip on coconut under the tree. She tap out Zion and just set we free. Me laugh and say me dream you long time. She smile is destiny, now we align. Dope feed the queen, me chant feel love. We flow together like wings of dove. In a ital fire, me purify soul. Heart to heart, no Babylon control. Dope feed the queen, me empress strong. In a this unity, we both belong. Through every echo, me feel you near. Like sweet Naya Bingi, so crystal clear. She cook ital with the earth in mind. Pure vibration in every grind. She say no need fee, diamond ring. Just ganja drum and what life bring. When Babylon try, fi confuse we head. She hold me hand and chant songs instead. Me empress, no follow, no fashion hype. She blaze truth like Congo pipe. We chant rhythm deep in a hills. Meditate long till the heartbeat stills. Stars a dancer, above we head. Love in a we bed, truth a get spread. We plant seeds, we grow food. Love with no pride, no attitude. And when rain fall on the zinc rooftop, we still a reason, nah ever stop. Dope feed the queen, me chant feel love. We flow together like wings of dove. In a ital fire, we purify soul. Heart to heart, no Babylon control. Dope feed the queen, me empress strong. In a this unity, we both belong. Through every echo, me feel you near. Like sweet Naya Bingi, so crystal clear. Me bring her flowers from mountain high. She teach me how fi watch the sky. She teach me silence, talk more than word. Like how wind whisper, just like bird. Me empress glow in a natural way. She dance beer.
Na 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 na. Kaya, a music yeah man. Inna the heart of the concrete land, me wake to horns and Babylon's hand. But me light me spliff, me give me praise. Me chant fi guidance through city maze. Me wear me dread like crown on head. Me trod through street where hope seem dead. But me nah fear no evil vibe. Me bring Jah light where shadows hide. Me see them run, them chase the pay. Them lose them soul along the way. But me stay firm, me stand me ground. Me reggae beat still shake the town. Hell, green smoke rising high in the sky. Jah know me spirit, Jah hear me cry. From rooftop height, is subway line. Me chant for love, me chant for sign. Jah sitting no silent, but I find peace. In the rhythm, me trouble cease. With ganja fire and roots in chest, me meditate, me find me rest. Me reach me corner, me safe zone. Me sit on rooftop all alone. Me roll it clean, me roll it tight. One spark and me soul ignite. Me close me eyes, me feel the beat. Me levitate above the street. Me nah need plane, me nah need car. Me fly with rhythm to Zion star. Me think about life, me think about now. How see system try fi make man bow, but me resist in gentle way. Me live ital, me smoke and pray. Green smoke rising high in the sky, while sirens wail and pigeons fly. Me hold me peace inside me lungs. Me sing me songs in ancient tongues. No preacher tell I what fi feel. Me herb a temple, me truth are real. Me not escape, me face me scene, but still me rise in smoke so green. Inna the chaos, me still hear drum. Me heart a bassline, me soul a strum. Me walk with staff through Market Street. Me greet them youth, me drop them beat. Them ask Rasta, how you cope? Me say me all faith, me burn me hope. Me herb is key, me chant is gate. Me vibe strong, me love no hate. The food me cook, it pure and true. Me drink me roots, me sip me brew. Me tell the youth, love yourself first. Babylon train you, fi feel cursed. When the moon rise over tower light, me feel Jah presence hold me tight. No need for mansion, me have stars. Me roll one more beneath the cars. Each puff a prayer, each draw a song. Me hold this liberty firm and strong. Me nah compete, me nah pretend. Me know Jah walk with I till end. So if you lost in steel and stone, just light one up and trod alone. Listen for rhythm and traffic beat. Let the fire guide your feet. Zion echoes in the smoke we send. Truth arise and pain amend. Me sip tea prayer, me herbal limb. Me journey start from deep within.
Meditation deep in the jungle, yeah man. Early morning light creep through me window. Birds are sing sweet hymns in the meadow. Me stretch me arms to the rising sun. Another day fi chant, another day begun. Me plant me foot on sacred earth. Me know Jah love from even birth. Me give thanks for the breeze and tree. Me give thanks for the life in me. Me light me chalice, me sip me tea. Me mind clear like Caribbean Sea. Me no run down hype nor goal. Me walk the path them ancient stole. One love still lives in each breath we take. Even in a system that try fi fake. Roots still grow and heart still beat. Truth still walk down Zion Street. One love still lives through drum and bass. In a Rasta chant and Jah embrace. From Kingston town to Mount Zion Hill, the fire still burn and always will. Me remember me youth and them reggae nights. The rhythm and a kind of full moonlight. Me father play vinyl and close him eye. Bob voice echo, no woman no cry. Me hold them words like sacred prayer. Them carry me soul through worldly fear. Me nah need fame nor diamond chain. Just a little spliff and roots again. Me walk the road with humble pride. Me link with nature, Jah by me side. From waterfall to highest pine, me feel the universe align. One love still lives like fire in a breeze. Blow through leaves and whisper peace. Me see it shine in every face. Me feel it deep in drumbeat bass. One love still lives, no system can kill. It rises in silence, strong and still. Me chant Just sound systems under star. Elders tell story, youths them learn. Fire burn bright, but now fi burn. Me vision clear, a village wall, where man and woman live in soul. Me hear Naya Bingi in a breeze. Me see just smile between the trees. Me share me fruit, me share me bread. Me bless the table where all get fed. Me no judge man by rank or race. Me only look upon art and grace. So me chant, rise up, oh children true. The world awaits, delight in you. Smoke your herb, but open your mind. Look inside, your heart will find. One love still lives. Now me close me eye, me see the flame, it never die. It just change name, sometimes Bob, sometimes Jah, sometimes me brethren from far, but always love, deep and wide. It guide me steps, it walk beside. So if you're lost or full of fight, play this tune in the night and feel it rise from soul to sky. Cause one love still lives, it never die.
Nah 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 Kingston haze in a me pocket, yeah man. Me sit on the rock, feel the earth below. Heartbeat rhythm from long time ago. Me close me eyes, chanting a trance. Hear the drum of ancestors dance. Them whisper truth in a breeze so fine. Them guide me soul beyond the time. Me nah watch clock, me nah chase fame. Me walk with spirits, them call me name. Me bones remember Africa's style. Me soul ignite like ancient isle. Me light the chalice, give thanks for breath. Me chant your name till me meet death.
Dub of the ancients rise in a smoke. Rhythm so deep it break the yoke. Echoes of Zion, wisdom wide. Me tread this path, me nah go high.
Every baseline is a prayer.
Every echo say Jah is near.
Every baseline is a prayer.
Every echo say Jah is near.
Thunder drum beat pan midnight sky. Lightning flash when me spirit fly. Me walk in vision, me see the past. Me know that truth will always last. From Nile to Kingston, from roots to sky. Me sing for the ones who not ask why. Me step through realm where words can't reach. Me chant through sound, me soul fi teach. Me nah need crown, me nah need stage. Me dub a temple, me mic a sage. Me reach that state where Babylon fear. A peaceful mind so crystal clear. Me burn herb on the sacred fire. Me chant till me soul rise higher. Me link with drum, me chant with breeze. Me talk with trees, me sit at tea. Every note a spell, every skunk a sign. Me feel Jah breath between each line. Me no perform, me transform. Me dub is storm, me heart is warm.
Dub of the ancients holy song. Shake the ground and spin it round. Me voice a river, me word a sea. Me plant in a heart where people need.
Dub come deep like morning mist.
Heal your mind and clench your fist.
Dub come deep like morning mist.
Heal your mind and clench your fist.
fi jam, me drink no wine. Me whole vibration, me hold the ground. Me spread truth through dope boy sound. Me hear the cry of Africa's womb. Me chant to clear the fear and gloom. Me no forget the elders fight. Me carry torch, me burn the night.
Me dub a spaceship, me mic a drum. Me ride the rhythm till kingdom come. Me sing not just fi entertain. Me chant fi purge your soul from pain.
The fading echo, my voice still stay. Me ancient song can't wash away.
Rasta man smoke a shile man. Me step light on the road so cold. In the mist, me story unfold. Me wear no crown but me heart is bold. Me chant truths that Babylon sold. Me face hidden but me soul shine bright. Me trod slow through the darkest night. No need for rage, no need for war. Me power is silence, me vision is far. In the shadows, me remain still. Listening to Jah, bending me will. Them can't see me, them can't trap. Me leave no trail, me set no map. Me a lion in the mist. Walking quiet, but me fist resist. Me no roar unless me must. Me voice come clean like ancient dust. Me no fight with teeth, me fight with light. In the mist, me hold me might. Me third eye open wide like moon. Me learn Jah timing, na move too soon. Me see deception, me feel the fear. But me walk with no worry near. Me urban sacred fi guide me pace. Me meditate in a sacred space. Me reason deep with stars above. Me hold the vibes, me spread the love. Them look for me in a obvious place, but me trod deep path in a Zion grace. Me no play game, me no play man. Me live for roots, me live for plan. Me silent like sunrise over sea. Me strong like drum, steady and free. Them think me soft, them think me gone, but me still stand long after storm. Me chant low under mystic moon. Me sing for the ones who rise up soon. Me no boast, me no show the flame, but me fire deep and it can't tame me. A lion in the smoke, speaking riddle, never joke. Me teach with rhythm, heal with sound. Me walk in silence, stand me ground. Me no need crowd if you know me gift. Me rise and shine through Babylon drift. Me hear me elders in the breeze. Them whisper code through roots of trees. Them say lion no lose your calm. Your roar is the storm before the balm. Me light up chalice, me give Jah praise. Me mind elevate in holy blaze. Me remember all the fight them fought. Me carry it now in me thought. This is for every youth in the yard. Hold your ground when life get hard. Me speak in metaphor, moving grace. Leave Babylon without trace.
Oyoyoy Kingston, skunk, smoke, yeah man.
down there. Me give thanks for Jah, me kneel and pray. No gift me want, no bling, no ring. Just a little piece, let the forest sing. Me bird now come from system light. Me born of sun, sea and the sky. Me mama strong, me papa wise. Me stand on roots, me never disguise. Me roll the herb with reverence. Me chant my soul, me find me sense. From me lungs to me medulla, it rise up truth, me feel it full up. Earth strong warrior rise today. Burn them chains and walk your way. Smoke the herb and chant the fire. Meditate and climb up higher. Rastaman, again from pain. Me heal through rhythm, roots and rain. Celebrate life with every drop. Me live in love, me follow Jah law. Me na born fi concrete street. Me come from hills when yam real sweet. Me granny teach me bush and bark. Me learn fi glow in light and dark. Each year me rise, me grow, me dread. Each season pass, me nah lose head. The fire inna me, not from reach, but from the wisdom of the sage. Me honor the drum, me honor the soil, me honor the hands that sweat and tile. Me drink me tea, me sit and pause, me chant the psalms, me praise Jah laws. Smoke rise up like incense burn. For every lesson, me still must learn. Me inhale love, exhale fear. Me vision bright, me heart sincere. Me surround myself with warrior crew. Each one hold firm, each one true. We nah need gold, nor gun, nor gate. We hold Jah love, and that feel great. Earth strong warrior, blaze it bold. Me story deep, me spirit old. Inna me circle, me herb ignite. Me rise like lion, full of light. Me nah bow down to Babylon plan. Me walk proud like ancient man. Me step with purpose, step with soul. Me journey long, but me heart whole. Ganja me gift, me sacrament. Me burn it clean, no false intent. Me offer it up to Jah throne. Me soul on the smoke, alone, alone. Me drift to space, me meet me guide. Me ancestors stand by me side. Them whisper say, you strong, you true. Me see Jah light shine bright in you. Me rest in grass, me hear the breeze. Me soul at peace, me mind at ease. This ain't just herb, this holy vine. Fi heal the body and soul combined. So light the fire, warrior true. This earth strong chant, me share with you. From hills to valleys, spread it wide. Let Rasta rise and Babylon slide. Go, happy earth strong to the soul within. Celebrate love, let the life begin. One more turn pan Jah wheel. Me chant, me smoke, me rise, me heal. Huh.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Me trod so long through rain and sun. Each step a battle, each fight hard won. Through valley deep and mountain high, Jahana guide me spirit fly. Me cross the river, me face the storm, but love keep me heart warm. Now me see the golden light. Zion gates just come in sight. Open the gates of Zion wide. Let the righteous step inside. Sing this song for all mankind. Leave the hate and fear behind. Na 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 na. Me hear the trumpet start to play. Announce the dawn of brighter day. The people gather young and old. joy forevermore. Zion call like mother's song, calling we where we belong. Me see the garden lush and green, peaceful as me ever seen. River run with healing flow, tree of life in center grow. Every fruit a taste of grace, every soul in perfect place. No chain, no prison, no divide, only truth and love abide. Me meet the elders pon the hill, them tell me child keep trotting still. The journey long but worth the pain, for every seed bring righteous gain. We sit and reason through the night, under moon and holy light. Them say Zion gates never close, for heart that pure and spirit knows. Step inside, children, step inside. No more run, no more hide. Leave Babylon, dust pan road. Come trudge our righteous code. Lift your voice and lift your hand. Give thanks for the promised land. Every beat of the drum declare Zion love for all who care. Call the name, shout it loud. Zion stand above the cloud. The choir rise, the voices blend. Song of life that never end. Each note a blessing, pure and strong. Every soul sing along. Me feel me tears, but them sweet, like water at your feet. Zion gates swing open wide, Jah light pour like morning tide. Me see the children run and play, bright like sunrise every day. No hunger here, no war, no cry, just promise fill the sky. We share the bread, we share the wine, we walk the path so divine. Drums still beat, heart still warm. Zion peace, the perfect farm. When nightfall come, no darkness near, for Jah light shine crystal clear. We rest beneath the holy tree, tell Jah thanks for set we free. Me close me eyes and hear the sound of love and joy all around. And when me wake, me still inside. Zion gates forever wide. Open the gates of Zion wide. We step in with Jah's guide. Leave the hate and fear behind. Only love for all mankind. Open the gates of Zion wide. Rasta children step inside. Zion gates forever wide. Jah light inside, Jah light inside. Open the gates of Zion wide.
Nah nah ganja inna the chalice, yeah man.
Me rise up early in a golden light. No noise, no stress, just mountain sight. Me step outside with me chalice cup. Me inhale deep, just spirit wake me up. Me eyes have closed, me soul open wide. As nature chant, me heart a glide. No words needed in a this hour. Just wine bird song and ganja power. No shoes pan feet, me grounding real. Me sit pan stone, me start to feel the herbs guide me mind to peace, and all the worldly worries cease. Smoke and silence, no complication. Just me and Jah in a meditation. Me burn belief Me breathing deep, me rise above, me no lose sleep. I grade meditation, me daily bread. Me no follow crowd, me spirit led. Me reason with trees, me listen the wind. Me chant for love and cleanse me sin. Me no need cathedral, no need gold. Me temple are within, me soul unfold. Each puff a prayer, each cloud a sign. Me float in rhythm, me feel divine. Ganja heal, me mind and skin. It open gates, feel look within. Me hear me ancestors, them whisper low. Keep it humble and let Jah grow. Me see me future in a smoke design. A clear path, all sacred, all aligned. Me no rush life, me take me pace. Me walk in truth, me walk in grace. Smoke and silence, no complication. Just me and Jah in a meditation. Me burn belief, me breathe in deep. Me rise above, me no lose sleep. I grade meditation, fire a burn. Fi in a balance, me daily turn. Me chant for joy, me chant for right. Me hold Jah light in darkest night. Me wake, me farm, me chant, me eat. Me live slow life, me stay complete. Me not envy Babylon bling. Me happy with me drum and the song me sing. Me cook Ital, me sip on roots. Me chant psalms and the star fruit shoots. Me reason with elders, me guide the youth. Me pass on wisdom, me live me truth. Me no wear crown, but me feel royal. Each day a gift, each breath vital. Me wear dreadlocks, me wear peace. Me walk Jah road until release. Me see this world full of stress, but Rasta way bring happiness. Me herb sacred, me pot clear. Jah presence strong, Jah voice near. So light it up and sit still. Let Jah take you up the hill. Let go worry, let go fight. Come all a meditation light. Smoke, silence and a beat.
Oh yeah, yeah, can do this. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Deep inna this faith, kaya man. When the sun dip low and sky start glow, me roll me spliff, real steady and slow. In a hammock swing, me close me eye as cool breeze kiss. A night pass by, no noise a city, no light a screen, just crickets chanting in jungle green. Me fire ablaze, me mind at ease. Me chant a psalm, fi inner peace. The herb attack, the moon a guide. Me spirit walk, me soul no hide. Me heart beat slow, me thoughts align. In this midnight hour, me feel divine. Rasta Moonlight, high in the sky. Bless up me head, me soul fly high. Smoke rise slow like holy prayer. Jah in the breeze, Jah everywhere. Under the stars, me chant me name. Me born again, me know the same. Me trod in silence, lovers guide. With ganja smoke and roots inside. Me sit pan rock, beside the stream. Me listen deep, inside me dream. Me see me granny, me hear them wise. Them say you'd stay humble, watch the skies. Me draw one deep and close me eyes. And vision open like butterfly. Me see me journey, me know me place. Me carry forward with Jah grace. No goal me seek, no crown me chase. Me seek the rhythm, me live in pace. Each breath a blessing, each beat a truth. Me write me life from early youth. Rasta Moonlight, heal me brain. Wash away the stress, wash away pain. Smoke rise gentle like breeze from sea. Me chant in peace, me chant for free. Lion heart inside me
chase. Urban roots, me soul a trace. From coconut tree to mango shade, me soul a dance in night parade. Me no need club, me no need light. Me have ja vibes and stars so bright. Me sip me tea from calabash. Me soul feel clean, me worries crash. Me see lizard run, me hear the owl. Me chant me truth, me nah be foul. Me burn me herbs, not just fi eye, but fi link with Jah and touch the sky. Me no rich, but me full of wealth. Me carry light and natural health. Me plant me food, me walk me ground. Me hear Jah whisper all around. Fire flicker, rhythm beat. Me feel the earth beneath me feet. Me hear me ancestors them them tell me son, your time have come. So me rise and sway like bamboo tree. Me body move, me spirit free. Me nah rush life, me take it slow. Cause Rasta know where rivers flow. As night retreat and dawn arrive, me give thanks for being alive. Me herbs still burn, me voice still sing. Me soul still rise, and Jah win wing.